The wild turkey is a large bird. It has a large, bulky body covered with bronzy, iridescent feathers. The male wild turkey, called a tom, has a reddish-blue head and a hair-like beard protruding from the breast. They have red wattles on their throat and dark fluff of feathers on their breast. They have long legs and small head on a long, slim neck. The females are smaller and more subtly colored than the male, with a gray head and feathered neck and no tuft of feathers on the breast. Wild turkeys travel in flocks. You'll see them searching the ground for nuts, berries, insects, snails, seeds, grass, roots, and bulbs, and also small invertebrates. They live in native forests with trees interspersed with edges and fields. They love the nut trees, especially the acorns. Early in the morning, you can see them foraging in clearings, field edges, and roadsides.